They want your attention, all of it. With Leo, the room changes when they walk in. Their presence isn't just magnetic, it's commanding. And when they choose you, it feels like sunlight, warm, undeniable, impossible to ignore. But between the sheets, Leo isn't just showy, they're royal, and royalty knows how to claim what's theirs. Ruled by the sun, Leo burns with passion, pride, and intensity. In bed, they want to be admired, desired, worshipped. Not out of vanity, but because love for Leo is sacred. They give generously, but they need to feel that what they offer is seen and appreciated. Their touch is bold, their energy confident, their desire impossible to fake. Leo wants to perform, yes, but only if you're watching. Only if it means something. There's a wildness to them, but it's not careless. It's theatrical, sensual. They'll take the lead, not just physically, but emotionally. They'll make you feel chosen, special, elevated. They know how to build the moment, the lighting, the rhythm, the mood. And they expect you to show up with the same fire they bring. A distracted partner wounds them more than words ever could. Leo needs full attention, not because they're insecure, but because they give nothing less themselves. They are physical, yes, but what they truly seek is adoration. They want to be unforgettable. And if they feel like they are, they'll give you the best of them. Warmth, generosity, loyalty, and a fire that doesn't fade when the lights go out. But neglect them, ignore their efforts, or make them feel replaceable, and that fire burns cold, fast. At their best, Leo is a radiant, magnetic lover who makes you feel like the only person in the world. They'll give pleasure with purpose, with flair, with drama. They'll leave you glowing, not just from what they do, but from how they make you feel while doing it. Desired, seen, desired again. So how is Leo between the sheets? They're passionate, proud, expressive, and unforgettable. They want to be your fantasy. And if you let them shine, they'll take you exactly where you want to go, and further. But be warned, Leo doesn't settle for lukewarm. With them, it's fire or nothing. Want to uncover how your moon sign shapes your deepest desires and emotional expression? Download your 2 free gifts in the description: our Moon Rituals PDF and the full digital moon and astrology planner, your personalized roadmap to connection, pleasure, and self-knowledge. If this video lit something in you, like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments. Have you ever been devoured by a Leo's flame? Or maybe you are the fire that no one forgets. See you next time. And until then, keep looking to the stars.